In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail password from phone. This quick walkthrough will help you update your password right from the Gmail app so you can keep your account secure without needing a computer. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. If you use multiple accounts on the same device, you'll see which one is currently active at the top of the screen. Now look toward the corner of the screen for your profile icon and tap it. Under your Gmail address, tap Manage Your Google Account. This takes you to your Google Account Hub, where all your personal and security settings live in one place. Next, tap the Personal Info tab. This tab holds your basic details and controls related to your identity. Scroll down until you see the password option, then tap it. For security reasons, Google may ask you to verify that it's really you. Just follow the on-screen prompts if they appear. Once you're on the password screen, you're ready to create a new one. Enter your new password in the designated field, then type it again to confirm. Aim for a strong, unique password that you haven't used anywhere else. A good rule of thumb is to use a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid easily guessed details. Consider using a reputable password manager to store it safely so you don't have to memorize complex combinations. When both fields match and you're happy with your choice, tap Change Password. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Change Password again to finalize. That's it. Your password has been successfully changed. After updating, keep in mind that your Google account is used across Gmail and other Google services. You may be asked to sign in again on your other devices or apps with the new password. This is normal and helps keep everything in sync. If something doesn't look right, simply reopen Gmail, ensure you're connected to the internet, and try again. A few final tips: don't share your password with anyone. If you ever suspect unusual activity, update your password again and review your account's security settings. And if you're prompted to turn on two-step verification, it's a great extra layer of protection. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.